Welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to solve this problem that if square root 4 plus square root x is equals to 5, then x equals. So we have to find the value of x. So first of all, here we write square root 4 plus square root x is equals to 5. So now we have to cancel this square root. We know how to cancel a square root by taking square both sides. Square this side and square this side. So square and square root is cancelled. So we write 4 plus square root x is equals to 5 square is equals to 25. So now we write square root x is equals to 25 minus 4. So square root x is equals to 25 minus 4 is equals to 21. So now we take square this side and square this side again, because we have to cancel this square root, because we have to find the value of x, not square root x. So square root and square cancel. X is equals to 21 square is equals to 441. So the value of x is equals to 441. This is our answer.